Build a list of weekdays with only 2 lines of code using Python. By ZennDogg's. A simple list of the days of the week looks like this. Day_names equals list Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. While using a list is completely okay. I wanted to see if I could build the list programmatically. This is the code I came up with. Import calendar. Day_names equals list parentheses calendar.day_name. We can print the list, print parentheses day_names. Or we can print a single name. Here is how. First, the calendar module assigns an index to each day name. 0 for Monday, 1 for Tuesday, 2 for Wednesday, and so on. This allows us to access the name of the day this way. Day equals day_names square brackets 5. Day equals Saturday. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please visit my Python blog at ZennDogg's.com.